In this session, I will show you how to, on the administrator account, set up and create a student, a class, and create another administrator or instructor. So, first to create a student, I will go to Setup, and then I'll go to Add New Student. So here, I will fill in all these boxes and create a student. The username can be unique to the organization I work at, or it can be unique to just the student, but in general they all need to be unique because it's an online system. So if you just type in their first and last name or something that someone else has taken, you will see on the right hand side it'll let you know that, and you will just create a new username. So I always use the same kind of pattern in the same format for all of my students, just to keep it easy for myself. And I also give all of the students and instructors the same password and just instruct them to change it afterwards. And if you do not have the student's email address, you can put in your own, or the organization that you work at, you can put in a Career Ready 101 specific email address at that organization. But regardless, you should try to put in an email address, even if you don't have the students. I always just put the username as the student ID, but you do not need to. And we have not created a class yet, so I'm not going to add the student to the class. We'll create a class and then add the student. But I have all of these boxes filled out, so I can push submit and create my student. And then here we are. From here I can either log my student in, print instructions for the student to log in, and a few other options, but I'm going to click on print login instructions for the student. I think this is the most useful. And when you push print, it'll print out the website to go to log into Career Ready, the username, and when you print it out, the password will come out in the letters that it actually is. So now that we've created a student, I'm going to go home, and the next thing I want to do is create another instructor or administrator. So I'll go to Setup, I'll do Add New Instructor. So again, you see we have a similar set of boxes. We're going to do the username. And then the password again, I have just been putting the same one, and then instructing the administrator, student, whomever to change it right after. And here you have administrator and instructor. So the general theme of the difference between the administrator and the instructor accounts is that administrators have access to all of the classes within their organization and all of the students in all of the classes. Instructors, however, only have access to their students. And just so we know, all of the notes in Career Ready 101 are accessible to everyone in the system in your organization. So everything you put in notes is public. So here we've created our administrator, and I can just push save and close. There we've created a student, we've created an administrator, and now I just want to create a class. I'm back on the home page, I'll do Setup. I'll go to the bottom of this class and do Add New Class. So here I can name the class whatever I would like. I'll do so I did create tutor, and then we don't need a location, the instructor. So this is a good example of the difference between an administrator account and an instructor account. I, as an administrator, can see all of the other instructors and administrators in my organization. So I'll allow me to be the instructor, Rex Simon, and I will leave the notes section blank. And push save. And here we have created a class. Now in the next Career Ready 101 Administrator Account tutorial video, I will show how to add students to the class. But for now, I will end this video on that we have created a student, created an instructor, and created a class.